I hope that that song helped you to remember some of the names of 3D shapes. I have a few here on the board that we can look at together. I did my best to draw them, so if they're not quite perfect, that's okay. We'll just have to pretend. Okay, so let's look at these together. And this one has squares for all the faces. That's what we call the different sides. We call them a face. So all the faces on this one are squares. And it's the shape of a die, like the dice that we use for math games or other games. It's called a cube. That's right. Okay, this one, the shape of a ball, shape of the earth, sphere. That's right, it's round. One continuous round face for it. Okay, how about this one? Rectangles make up the different faces. Rectangular prism. Okay. This one, it's like the shape of the thing you put your ice cream in. I don't want to say what it's called because I don't give it away. An ice cream cone. This is a cone. It's also like the shape of some of those traffic cones that you see outside. This is like the shape of a can, like a can of soup. Or maybe like a toilet paper roll. It's a cylinder. Yeah, and it has two ends that are circular. Like this has one circular end and a point at the top. And these have two circular ends. Okay, this one comes to a point at the top. And this one has a square base. So the bottom of it would be a square. It's a pyramid. And this is a special pyramid. When the base of it is square, we would call it a square pyramid. Okay, so there's some shapes that we reviewed. And I'm going to point to one and I want you to say the name. Okay? Okay, I think you've got it. Okay, so today we're on to looking at some of these 3D shapes and sorting them. And this is what you'll have to work on. There's two different papers. They're the same, except there's different pictures at the bottom. So I'm just going to show you one, but then when you go to do it, you'll know that there's two. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to do some sorting, and we're really good at sorting. We do sorting with a lot of different topics. It says directions, sort and paste each 3D shape below. So here's the shapes and they're different objects. You can see those objects. Okay, so you're going to cut out these objects and then you're going to sort them into these areas and glue them where they belong. So there's sphere, cylinder, cube, cone. Okay, and here's different objects that you'll sort into those categories. And you can see the other one has the same categories, just different pictures. Sphere, cylinder, cube, cone. But some different pictures down there. Okay, so cut out the pictures, sort them into the different categories, and glue them on. Okay, mathematicians, you've got this. Have fun.